Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel PLV LearnVerse. So without wasting any time, let's begin our first lesson. Python programming for beginners, lesson 1. Python programming. Before we know Python deeply, we will start with the basic and theory part. Okay, all introduction theory we will do from beginning. Imagine you have never heard the word programming. Let's start from zero. What is programming? Let me ask a simple question. When you use your phone and open WhatsApp, how does it know where to show messages, how to send photos when someone is online? Someone wrote instruction for the phone. A computer is actually very dumb. It doesn't know anything. It only follow instruction. Those instructions are called programs, and the process of writing those instructions is called programming. Now hope you understand what you mean by program. Programs are just instructions and programming is a process of writing step by step. Those are the instructions is called programming. I will give a better example here. Imagine your mom making tea. She may say boil water, add tea powder, add milk, add sugar, boil for 3 minutes, pour into a cup. These are instructions to make a tea. So program is exactly the same. Instead of giving an instruction to a person, you give instruction to a computer. It's easy right to understand. Now, what is programming language? Now here will come. We understand what is programming. Now it come programming language. Here now another question. Can computers understand English? No. Can computers understand Japanese? No. Can computer understand Hindi? No. Computers only understand two numbers, that is 0 and 1. This is nothing but a binary language or low level language. Here 0 and 1, this is also called a machine language. Why machine language? Because 0 and 1 only understand computer, machine. That's what it's called a machine language. Imagine writing an entire WhatsApp using only 0 and 1. Impossible for humans. So, humans created programming language. Programming languages are like a translator between the human and computer. Here the better examples: Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript. All of these finally become a machine language. Here main questions will come. Why was Python created? Now comes the interesting story. Back in the late 1980s, programming languages like C were powerful but difficult. People had to write many complicated lines just to perform simple tasks. Here, a Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum. Here you can see his photo, right? He is the creator of Python. Programming should be simple, readable and enjoyable. Of course, Python is a very simple, readable and enjoyable program. That's why he created a Python. So in 1989, during Christmas holidays, he started creating Python. The first official version came out in 1991. He named it Python after a British comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Not after the snake. That's one of the biggest misconceptions. Here, why is Python so popular? Imagine two people writing the same thing. Here, person A writing the language, C language, and Python. Person B is writing a Python. Here, I will tell you to print a statement called hello. I will display to tell you to print a hello. So person A, what he will do? He will write a C language. So before starting C language, we need to write a library. Hash include, we will write a standard input output dot h, and we will call a main function, then open bracket. I will state a print in file hello and return. I need 6 lines to write just to display hello world. But a person B who writes just Python in just only one line, he will print hello in just one line. Which one is easier? Obviously Python, right? So Python focuses on simplicity, readability, productivity. That is why beginners love it. Where is Python used? This will see when you come into your final main project. Definitely it will use for you when you do your main project, major projects, mini projects, any project. When you do by using Python program, you can build a lot of projects. So here where Python used artificial intelligence, mainly when we say artificial intelligence, in our mind it will come ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud AI, and many more. Machine learning, mostly machine learning, which is developed by the Netflix, okay, and data science, web development, automation, cyber security, robotics, game development. So these are the futures where Python used. Now, why companies love Python? If you know Python, no, company will hire you. Okay, at least become master in one program, because it is easy to learn, easy to read, huge community, free, cross platform, Windows, Mac, Linux, thousands of ready made libraries. The main questions come like, what is library? In C, I will come back here, I will show you. Here C, you can see, right, they are using the library called stdio.h. So what is library? Yeah, in Python we don't use library functions. Imagine you want to build a house. Will you bricks yourself make? Will you make bricks yourself? No, right? You will buy them. Similarly, Python already has code written by experts. You simply use it. That collections of ready-made code, I highlighted here, ready-made code is called as a library. Instead of writing your own calculator, Python has already one. That is a library. It's already built-in function. Now, how Python program will execute the code? Imagine you are talking to a friend who only speaks Japanese. You speak English. A translator stands between you, translator, and friend. You can't understand what your friend is speaking, so you hire a translator and he will translate you what your friend is talking about. Similarly, you, Python interpreter, and a here computer, what it will work, how it will work, I will show you how Python interpreter works. Here editor and a source file. Here source file goes to compiler. You know how compiler works. So it will convert into a bytecode, and here virtual machine will be there. In virtual machine there will be a lot of library modules and it will run the programming. A Python interpreter translates your code into machine instruction that the computer can execute. No need to think too much, just know how the Python will execute. Just here you will convert into bytecode, that is 0 and 1. Now what does print mean? In your mind it will come no print. Here word itself says print, means displaying. Think about a teacher speaking in class. Teacher says good morning. Students hear it. Similarly, print means show something on screen. Hope you understand. Print means show something on screen, means displaying. Print the word good morning. Output will come good morning. No any special library are here. Just printing one statement. This is theory part. We will do this in a Google Colab. I will show you how it will work. If you get error also, it's better we will get error, because how more getting errors you will learn more about the programming language. Why are quotation mark used in programming? Let's see. Look carefully. Print hello. Why do we write hello in a quotation mark? Because it is a text, a string. Okay, not a character. Character means just one word. Here we will write adding 2 to 3 words. It will become a string. Without quotation mark, print hello. Python will think hello is the name of variable. not text, and it will be give an error because it doesn't know what hello refers to. Real life example I will give you. Imagine your friend is named Rahul. If someone say Rahul, they are talking about the person. If someone says Rahul by using quotation, they are referring to the word Rahul as a Python makes the same distinction. Okay. So these are the topics I covered today. Just simple introduction, and that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class. Happy coding. Thank you.